Hey guys, in this video let's find out how good the 2021 MacBook Pro's microphones are. Alright guys, let's find out how good the 2021 MacBook Pro's microphones are. Apple claims they're pretty good. They say they are studio quality 3 mic array with high signal to noise ratio and directional beamforming. That's some fancy words, but how good are they really? So we'll be testing that and comparing it to the shotgun mic on my DSLR. But before we delve into testing, let's take a deeper look at what Apple says about their microphones. They say 3 studio quality mics. Thanks to mics with up to 60% lower noise floor, MacBook Pro can capture even the subtlest sounds, and the 3 mic array uses directional beamforming so your voice always comes through loud and clear. So it sounds like there's 3 microphones, it's more sensitive to subtle noises, and your voice should be clear due to directional beamforming. Not exactly sure what that means, but they just use that word and then they say, so your voice always comes through loud and clear. So obviously they're proud of their microphones. Now let's take it to the test. How good do they sound? So like I was saying, I'm using a shotgun mic on top of my DSLR. That's what you're hearing right now. Pretty good mic. It's a budget microphone though. Not superb quality. You can hear some things, maybe some background noise, maybe some fuzziness, but overall my voice sounds pretty good. It picks up me pretty well. Some of that background noise might just be from the environment. I don't have a perfect studio at this point, but the point is, decent mic, not perfect, but I just thought I'd throw that out there. So now let's try it on the Mac. I'll start recording audio with this, and I'll take away the audio from this in editing. So here we go. I am now recording with my MacBook mics, so as you can see, here are the levels changing, and it is my MacBook microphone. How does it sound to you guys? Let me know in the comments. So there you go. You got to hear it for yourself. How do you think it sounded? Let me know in the comments. I think it sounded pretty good. That was a pretty good job for laptop microphones. Good job, Apple. You are sticking to your claims. I'd say that's pretty good. I think there's probably quite a few laptops that have crummy sounding microphones or just below par average. The mics on this machine, however, are great sounding mics. Very great for a laptop, I would say. But that is to be expected of a $2,000 plus machine, so you would expect to have high quality microphones. And Apple did their work. They are great mics. So good job, Apple. You stuck to your word. These are great sounding microphones. Obviously, it might not be the same level of using a studio mic that's much cheaper, or maybe even some shotgun mics, lapel mics, etc. But for a laptop, very great, and for a high-end product it has great microphones. So anyway guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave a like, comment down below if it was helpful, and what other videos you'd like me to make in the future, and whether you thought that sounded good. And if you like my content, please consider subscribing. It would mean a lot. Thank you so much for that. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.